Most accurate forecast.
Well, hopefully a lot of your kids got to put the screens down and go on outside to enjoy the snowfall for today. It looks like the snow is going to give us a 1 day break before we see more wintry precipitation come our way. For today, though, snowfall totals range really anywhere from about 2 to 5 inches. You can see Annapolis picking up about 2.5 inches there, out toward BWI 3.8 inches, and into Perry Hall, they were the big winner at around 4.2. The shower activity, though, has now come to an end. Radar sweeping clean for us currently. However, we will notice another chance of more precipitation in just a few hours. Right now, the road temperatures in Parkton at 28 degrees and out toward Bel Air at 30. This means any of that melted slush is now freezing on some of those untreated roadways. Out toward Annapolis and Inner Harbor, you are above freezing, but not for long. I'd say in about another hour to 2 hours, those roads will be below 32 for all of our viewing area, and they should stay below the 32-degree mark until we get close to about 9:30 in the morning tomorrow. Temperatures currently at Inner Harbor's at 38 degrees. Bel Air, good evening at 35. You're looking at 35 as well out toward Columbia. Temperatures are going to go back and forth a little bit between being seasonal and then being much cooler than normal, and that's also going to facilitate the snowfall in our forecast. So the low pressure system that brought the wintry weather to us is now pushed off out over toward the northeast. High pressure coming into play, and with that, delivering our winds first out of the north tomorrow, shifting then out of the southeast. So for tomorrow, because of that northerly breeze, we'll see our temperatures about 5 degrees cooler than normal, despite the fact that we see mostly sunny skies. Now, Monday is the day to go out and accomplish any of your errands. Fill up your car with gas, but don't get a car wash because we are looking at snow, sleet, rain in the forecast starting from Tuesday all the way through next weekend. Here's the details. By Tuesday, we have a weak system in place, only bringing us a 20% chance of a rain snow mix, especially in the morning hours. And then by the afternoon, we turn seasonal on into the mid 40s for us. But watch what happens, though, as we continue to move along here. So, Monday morning, this is when we have the potential for some of the melted snow to turn into icy conditions along the roadways, despite the gorgeous sunshine we see throughout the day. Temperatures will only be in the upper 30s. Here's that first storm system arriving Tuesday at 6 in the morning. And remember, we're really looking at a rain snow mix. I don't think we're going to see all this blue indicating the snowfall coverage. But, anyways, you get the idea. Anywhere from Severn, Baltimore City, Dundalk, all the way out over toward Bel Air and Moncton, even through Northeast and Elkton, dealing with the chance of some wintry mix. It's not going to be all day. It's going to be fairly light as well. We're not going to pick up anything significant, at least for Tuesday, although we do end up seeing mostly cloudy skies as we await the arrival for our next system. Here we go to Wednesday. We have snow in our forecast, folks. I think we could see actually about an inch and a half of snowfall just Wednesday alone. Thursday, the system turns a little bit warmer, and now we're looking at sleet, maybe an inch and a half of sleet. So Thursday, we have a lot of moisture to work with, and if it gets cooler and we end up seeing snow, we could also see maybe 4 to 6 inches of snowfall then. But right now, we're going with sleet. That sleet will stay with us until early Friday morning. I think we'll drop that sleet chance off by the afternoon. And then by the weekend, yet again, here we see another storm system, anywhere from a trace to 2 inches of snowfall in our forecast. So for Baltimore, you'll notice by 9 a.m., 24 degrees, sleet, or rather icy road spots. By 11 a.m., 28, and we work our way on into the low to upper 30s throughout the day. By Tuesday morning, we have our storm system arriving. It's going to be very weak, only a 20% chance of it. By Wednesday, we get a little bit stronger. Now, a 40% storm chance of snow, I think, especially over the evening. That's going to stay with us on Thursday, but now it's going to get a little bit warmer, so we'll end up seeing sleet mixing in there. This sleet has the potential of really accumulating, so something we are watching for. There is so much moisture. It's going to last through early Friday morning, so Friday afternoon I think is okay for any folks who maybe have to move houses or so. Temperature-wise, then about 40 degrees. But we're not over yet, folks. We have another storm system on down. That is going to affect your Valentine's Day forecast. Mallory?
Thank you, Sabrina. Well, speaking of